Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is my 2013 Subaru Wrx hatch. This is not exactly how I wanted to start my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, this is where we're standing with this. Those of you that have been following me on Instagram and for the last couple of years and stuff like that and been wondering why I haven't been posting much about the car and stuff like that is because, well, I did the Subaru things. I'm not gonna blame this on Subaru, or like other people go ahead and say like Subarus are, they're pieces of crap. They blow up all the time and stuff like that. I can genuinely say that this was literally all my fault. I ran this car with a few mods with a OTS tune for the longest time, and I guess it gave out. I really don't know exactly what went wrong. I was doing some down in Mexico things with another car, and all of a sudden it just died. And try to start it, it will turn, but it won't start. It feels like it's missing compression somewhere. I don't know exactly. But with that said, yes, this is my little car. As you guys can see, I have a Cobb AOS, I have a Torque Solutions pitch stop mount. If I'm not mistaken, that brace back there for the brake master cylinder, I forgot from where I got that. I know it was some off-road website. I'll try to link it in the description below if I remember how to do that, because I really don't know what the heck I'm doing when it comes down to this and when it comes down to YouTube. I mainly post stuff on Instagram. Kind of started on TikTok, so I'm gonna put a little bit here and there about everything else. I got this PLM clutch master cylinder brace. Remember that one? I still don't remember about that one in particular. Actually, that is the brake booster clutch master cylinder that I don't remember from where I bought it, but I'll put it in the description below, or I'll try to put some caption or something like that in here somewhere around here, I don't know where, from where I got that. So that's pretty much it. Oh no, I got a CNT downpipe with a nameless hatchback quad, dual quad exhaust. I do have a Cobb SF intake with a Cobb access port. Car's currently lowered with some Raceland coilovers. Don't judge me. When I bought the car, it already had that. And out here in the back from aesthetics for set, kind of got this kit. Also came with the car where it lifts the back spoiler off the body. Don't know, sorry for the lighting. I mean, first video, we're doing poor YouTube things here. Nothing much on the inside per se. There's the box for the Cobb SF intake. For those of you that don't know, this car is supposed to be a build way before Akira Toriyama passed away. Like I said, I've been owning this car for the last couple, 2, maybe 3 years and stuff like that. This car is supposed to be Shenron from Dragon Ball Z. Stands the reason why I have a 4-star shift knob on the shifter. That radio that you see there, sorry guys, don't judge me. It is not an I doing. it's a Cycane or Cycane, whatever it is. It's a pain in the ass because I cannot get Apple CarPlay wireless. It has to be with a dongle. When I got that, I really didn't know much, and I wish I would have had bought the iDoing one where it is Bluetooth. So as you guys can see, I removed basically the accessories, power steering pump, AC compressor, intake manifold with drawing a blank here, with the OEM I forgot, turbo inlet. Jesus Christ. This is a CNT downpipe. I don't know if you guys can see that. This car is crusty, but yes, CNT. I've been trying to look to see like how much was this when actually they were making them. I guess they don't make them anymore. I kept on looking around, I couldn't find it. That's the OEM radiator. But yeah, this is my little project. I'm gonna try to go ahead and record as much as I can doing this. Obviously, you guys missed a lot of what I was doing there. But yeah, this is my little project here. Hopefully, we can get it up and running soon. So you can see, I'm already stockpiling a bunch of stuff there. Let you guys know later what is all of that about. Yeah, just working on this. And to be honest, the reason why I got one of these is because back in 05, I got the chance to jump in an 05 STI, brand new. And like the car, whatever not, you know, but never really pursued it as of like fell in love with the car, and from that point on I wanted to have a WRX or an STI or anything like that. I kind of like forgot totally about it until years later. I got a friend of mine that he drives 17 or 19 WRX. I can't remember. It's like 17, 18, 19, somewhere around there. And kind of fell in love with driving with the car and stuff like that. I got to the point where in the past I was going through some situations and stuff like that. I ended up being not having a car, and this is what I decided to buy. I've got a few people that told me not to buy it because of certain things. I can discuss that later on in some other video and stuff like that. And as soon as I hop on this thing, I fell in love with it, and like I don't want to let it go. So here I am, trying to keep it alive. Another thing is that I really don't know what's wrong with this engine. This engine could be probably perfectly fine, but it died around 160,000 miles. So with that being said, this engine, if by any chance is still salvageable, this is going to be a high power engine. This is going to be my motivation of going ahead and actually get a full-on forge built engine, built heads and stuff like that. So I opted not for an IEG engine. I opted not for a Fortunato, Outfront Motorsports engine. I went with this one, which to me is a little less known. M45 in California. Literally, I bought a whole engine, heads and everything already assembled. They did a few upgrades on it, meaning rods and pistons and stuff like that. King Racing bearings and all that, because I told them that I wanted to push my car around 400, 450-ish if I can hit that goal with the mods that I'm going to be putting on it. Obviously, I'm still rocking Skinny Boy. You can barely see it. Let me see if I can grab the flashlight here. I'm rocking Skinny Boy back there. With that being said, I cannot push this too hard, right? Because engine might not go bye-bye, but then transmission's going to go bye-bye. And I don't have, in the near future, plans to do an STI 6-speed swap on this vehicle. It might happen, it might not happen, all depends. What else can I tell you guys? It's pretty much it. Just tearing this one out, putting it on a jack stand or an engine stand, and see what's wrong with it, if it is salvageable and whatever the hell not. And just learning the process. I mean, taking that friggin' intake manifold out, that was not fun. I mean, it was fun, but you know what I mean. If you guys have done this is a 2013, like I said, there's a lot of hoses and stuff like that. They're like super hard and brittle. Like this one here, I'm gonna have to buy a new one because it cracked. Shit the bed. So, oh, I don't know if I can even say that. Can I say, you know, the other word, SH, instead of crap? I don't know. But yeah. So here I am doing the things, the stuffs, motivation of actually working on my own car, to be honest, watching media. So Tanner, if you see this video and you like what I'm doing, is because of you that I'm actually putting in the work and not paying somebody else to do the work for me. Even though I pay for a whole ass engine, is because my mechanical skills, I feel like that is not in my skill level. So bought a whole engine, gonna put all the freaking bolt-ons on it and enjoy it as it is. And whenever I rack up the funds and stuff like that and actually get this one, if it's still salvageable, to get it up to par when it comes down to fully forged engine, then this is gonna be it. But I got a bunch of goodies that I'll put in later. Different packages that I bought from IEG, which was awesome because like they had a bunch of the parts all together in a package, and I didn't have to do too much research of trying to find every single part that I wanted or needed. They already had it in packages. So I'll talk to you guys about that. What else can I say? I guess we're gonna cut it right here. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing here in this ghetto, I guess you can call it a shop that we got going on here. Don't forget, you know what? I'm not even gonna say that. You're an adult. You know what to do. Bye.